Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting products or services using digital channels and technologies. It encompasses various online strategies and tactics aimed at reaching and engaging with a target audience to drive business growth and achieve marketing objectives. Digital marketing leverages the power of the internet and digital devices to connect with potential customers and build brand awareness. Here are some common components and strategies used in digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing a website's content and structure to improve its visibility in search engine results pages organically. This includes keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and technical enhancements. 2. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, running paid advertising campaigns on search engines, social media platforms, or other websites. Advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked, and it can be an effective way to drive targeted traffic to a website. 3. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Content marketing can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. 4. Social media marketing, using social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube to promote products or services, engage with customers, and build brand awareness. 5. Email marketing, sending targeted emails to a group of individuals who have expressed interest in a product or service. Email marketing is commonly used for nurturing leads, promoting products, or delivering valuable content to subscribers. 6. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influential individuals on social media who have a significant following and credibility in a specific industry or niche. Influencers promote products or services to their audience, often through sponsored content. 7. Affiliate marketing, partnering with affiliates who earn a commission for driving traffic or sales to your website through their own promotional efforts. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based model that can be highly effective in reaching new audiences. 8. Online PR and reputation management, managing and influencing a brand's online reputation through PR efforts, online reviews, customer feedback, and social media monitoring. 9. Analytics and data-driven decision-making, utilizing tools and data analysis to measure the effectiveness of digital marketing campaigns, understand customer behavior, and make informed decisions for future strategies. Digital marketing offers numerous advantages, including the ability to target specific audiences, track and measure campaign performance, reach a global audience, and often achieve a higher return on investment compared to traditional marketing methods. It continues to evolve with advancements in technology and consumer behavior, providing businesses with new opportunities to connect with their customers in meaningful ways. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.